up everyone? It's Carmina Kae. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back at it with another video. I'm really excited for this video because I'm going to be sharing how I cover my acne. And this is just going to be my everyday simple makeup routine. I'm going to insert a clip of how my face looks like in daylight and in like some sort of shading area. So I'm just going to insert that clip here. I'm breaking out on my forehead. We have some active acne on my forehead, some dullness, some redness, some pigmentation from like the sun. This side, my right side of my face, is actually the most problematic. This is new, this is new. So we still have active acne here. All of it is just acne scarring. It's more of like a brown versus a pink. You see that I have some texture right here. There's a lot of texture here. Active acne, some whiteheads right here. This is the best part of my face right now. As you can see, it's not a lot of acne scarring. Turn right here. I just wanted to show you guys what my skin looks like because I wanted to be real in this video. Now that you guys know how my face really looks like up close, I'm gonna start my makeup routine, okay? So first, I already washed my face, so that's fine. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna wash my face again. I'll be back. Okay, I just got done washing my face, and we're just gonna prep the skin. My skin, I wanna say, since I moved here, it's been like combination. As winter is approaching, I feel like it's more normal now than ever. So we're just gonna go in with this Smartly unscented facial lotion. Guys, I love this stuff. It's $2 at Target. And then we're gonna do that. And then after, I go in with my sunscreen by Dr. Jart every Sunday, sun fluid. Always make sure you guys are putting on sunscreen.
I know a lot of people say with sunscreen, there's a lot of primers that have sunscreen already built in there because if you just put sunscreen alone, it kind of makes your makeup like
And I like to do the lotion first.
really going in hard but not. And my face, I don't know if you noticed, but
Now that our skin is prepped, we're just gonna let that dry. And we're gonna go in with some eyebrows. I still like to do the Instagram eyebrow. I know right now the soap brows are really in, but I don't know how I really feel about it. This is the Maybelline Tattoo Studio in 378 Ash Brown. Like a dupe for the Anastasia. So you're gonna get whatever angled brush you guys have. This one is by Anastasia. I don't know what number it is. It's the longer one.
I just waxed my eyebrows like last week, so my shape is a lot more noticeable. Do you guys ever have like a good eyebrow and a bad eyebrow? For me, my left eyebrow has always been a good one. The one that's always well behaved. I'm really just going like halfway first.
I don't have any concealer for my eyebrows. I just use foundation. This is actually really bothering me that you guys are not able to see. Okay, this is a lot better. I'm glad that you guys can see now. Anyways,
We're just gonna make some marks. Okay, that's a little bit too much concealer or foundation, but it's okay. You want to make it look very flawless, very blended. If you have some stray hairs, like myself, it's okay. The concealer is gonna make that all go away.
see how it just made it so much more cleaner? Ugh. Yes! I just love it.
I'm going with this e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil. I just got this the other day. And what color is this in? It doesn't even have a color. Oh, taupe. Taupe. Yep.
Okay, so now that you guys saw this side, I'm just gonna do the other side, okay? Ready? So I just got done doing my eyebrows. Ugh, I love it. I love it. Just for the sake of this video, I'm gonna do some eyeshadow. Typically, I never wear eyeshadow, but if I'm just going to work and I do want something, I'll just do one color. I threw away my eye primer. Okay, we'll just improvise. So what I use for my face is the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. Okay. And remember, your eyelid is very small. So, at least mine is. I'm gonna use this like flat, fluffy brush. This is by Morphe. This is the M433. And I'm gonna go in with a highlighter actually. This is the Wet n Wild highlighting powder. Just gonna dab, 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 dab. Just took the same powder on a fluffy brush and I just ended up blending that. To be honest, if I'm going to work, I really don't want to put on eyeliner, but without the eyeliner, honestly, my eyes are pretty small. This is the e.l.f. eyeliner in jet black. Let me just show you the brush on this. Okay, it's flat, but then it's also pointy. I like to do a line first, then the tail, and then fill in. This is my wings. I think they're pretty even. If not, this is gonna be really embarrassing to put up on YouTube. We're gonna put on some mascara. We're gonna take a normal clampy clamp. Don't you hate it when you have your eyelash curler and then you just got done perfecting your eyeliner and then it takes off some of your eyeliner? That's so rude. Step is gonna be mascara. I usually have two mascaras, a lengthening one and a volumizing one. The two that I have on me right now are the Falsies Lash Lift by Maybelline. The next one is gonna be the Voluminous Lash Paradise by, I believe this is L'Oreal. So I usually do the lengthening one first. I usually like to look down and then do like a swivel motion. Now that I'm thinking about it, I'm actually pretty nervous to show you my mascara because I don't think they look like spiders, but then I'm biased because it's me. Spiders? Like spider legs? Because I don't have no spider leg mascara lashes, okay? Let's get that straight. Okay, when you go in with the volumizing one, you don't want to weigh down your eyelashes. So I kind of like to do the middle of the eyelash to the top. I feel like a cat. A cute cat. Okay, let's get on to the face because that's what we're really here for. So obviously after doing all that eye makeup, our face is pretty dry again. Depending on your skin, I would just put on some more lotion. We're gonna take that primer again, the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. And I wanna take that much. Whoa. That is a lot more than I anticipated, I'm sorry. You can even put some down your neck. Got rolls on my neck. So sometimes my foundation, it just goes into the little lines. So where should we start first? So this is the L'Oreal 24-Hour Foundation Pro Glow, Infallible Pro Glow in shade 204 Natural Bud. And we're gonna take a flat brush. If you have texture, if you have acne scarring, you want to do a flat brush just because it's going to really work for you, basically. Oh, and I put on that much. Okay. Put on that much. Sometimes I'll just work in one area or half of my face at a time because we're working on coverage. We're going to mimic flawless skin. Especially in the winter time, I try to look more glowy. But as you can see, with just a little bit of foundation, how much that covered up. Like you guys saw how red my face was. So it's like a hydrating foundation. I feel like it doesn't cling to texture. Okay. And if you want some extra coverage, I recommend you go in with a green concealer. This is The one I used to use, the LA Pro Girl Pro Conceal. I wouldn't directly apply this on your face because if you're breaking out, you don't want that. Apply it to your finger, clean hands, and then dab the areas. Dab, do not like rub. A little goes a long way. Now we're gonna go with this side. I just applied 4 drops, see? Look at that, so nice. Look at that glow. Who is she? Who is she really? Who is she? Okay. Now that we're done with the foundation, we're gonna go in with the concealer. This is the Instant Rewind Eraser by Maybelline. This is in the shade Sand. We're gonna start making some V's underneath our eyes. I'm taking the Real Techniques brush, not brush, sponge doy. And we're just gonna blend. And you have to remember, be realistic with how your face is gonna look like. You're not gonna get rid of texture just by applying foundation, unfortunately, but you are gonna have one color matching your neck, matching your skin.
So, you know.
Now we blended out our concealer, we're just gonna go in with the bottom and we're just gonna lightly do our whole face. Remember, you don't wanna put the concealer shade all over your face. You're just trying to buff out any excess foundation. Boom. So now we are gonna go ahead and bake the Makeup Obsession Pure Bake in Banana Baking Powder. Under eyes actually get really dry, so I don't wait at all, because the last thing you want is to have really nice foundation and for your under eyes to literally kill the whole process. Dang, who is she? I don't know her, but I want to get to know her. This is an optional step. You're gonna go ahead and apply foundation powder. When I was really breaking out, I would always put on foundation powder so I could have a little bit extra coverage. This is the L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Powder in shade N5, True Beige. This is the Real Techniques brush. This is the Instapot face brush.
You have to press, you know, you could just light.
So we're gonna add in some bronzer. As you can see, we're pretty light. Now, I'm not really super precise with my bronzer, but I do like to make myself look a little bit chiseled, especially since I got a double chin that I would like to hide. So I'm gonna go in with like this stamp method. As you can see, my brush is torn. This is the brush, the Makeup Shack brush, the T25 brush. So I'm using is Max Refined Golden. So it's sparkly too. You don't gotta go hella heavy. You could stamp it on first and we could blend later. You want to go in with a blendable bronzy brush. The IT Cosmetics brush. This is the Soft Touch Blush brush. Looks like this. It's an angled brush, super fluffy. We're just gonna
Dark for your preference, but you can't save it. Don't go in with, don't try. Now I feel like, let's start.
It's coming off really dark, but I promise it's not that. I didn't mess up that bad. Okay, we're gonna go in with some blush. This is L'Oreal True Match blush in Warm W6 Subtle Sable. Looks like it's very pink. And I kind of like to blend it in with my bronzer. I I'm gonna go in with some highlight. Oh, this is my highlighting brush. The name scratched off, I'm sorry. But it's by Morphe, I know that. Beep, beep, beep. You wanna just get the button of your nose. This is a full face, but this is my simple version. So we're gonna do some lips. Before we do that, let's gel our eyebrows because I forgot to do that. I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Clear Brow and Lash. I'm gonna go in with a liner. This eyeliner is by Sephora. This is Deep Beige 15. I really want to do like how I do my lips because I think that would be really, really fun. That video is gonna come really soon. I'm gonna take this and we're gonna line it. Now we're gonna go in with a gloss. This is the e.l.f. Mocha Twist. This is a lip plumper. Girl, if you want a neutral lip, this is it. This is all you need. Do I think it makes your lips look bigger? Yes, yes I do. Do the Cupid's bow first. Yeah, I ran out of setting spray. This is the complete look. How do you guys like it? Let me just... How do you guys like it? How do you guys feel? Let me know. Let me know in the comments. You guys like it? Because I like it. Okay, I'm gonna take some pictures just so you guys know how it looks like without the ring light. Okay, I'll insert them. This is my cheek where there's not too much acne going on, where there's a lot of pigmentation going on, there's a lot of texture. It obviously looks very different. Yeah. I think this is an accurate representation of what it would look like if you were to see me in person. That's it, you guys. That is the full makeup look, everyday simple makeup. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I really love making makeup content for you guys. Let me know what you guys would like to see down below. Tell me what was your favorite part. I would love to communicate with you guys more often. And make sure to follow me on all social media because I like posting on my Instagram on what you guys like to see. See you guys in the next one. Bye.